Hey guys, today I'm back up at my uncle's fishing, just going to try and get some brown trout. Don't know when I'll be posting this video, but just to make sure you guys know I'm fishing in season. It is the 14th of April, and here's a lure here. Just going to be using the Huey's spotty dog, oh not spotty dog, sorry, sunset lure. Just going to go down here, give her a cast along here, and see if we can get him a couple browns. Just heading down to the first little spot. Just gonna hopefully hook onto a nice fish. You never know, could get anything down here, that's the thing. Ooh, nice brown, nice brown. It's a fish. Just gotta grab the net. That's a good one. Just on the sunset lure there, guys. Just gonna pull him out, drop the net, and give you a little look at him. Just get the line out of the way. That's him there. Just on the spotty dog there. Good one. That's the way to do it.
Yeah. Where did he bite you when you was nearly in, was he?
Yeah, it was straight in front of me.
Yeah, nice little trout.
Put him back.
Yeah, beautiful colour, isn't it?
Bright red.
Yeah. Beautiful little fella.
And the spotty dog again. Good Huey's lure. If you want to get them, you can get him in at All Goods. Just absolutely smashed it there. Try and open up his mouth. It's stuck shut because of how much you smashed it, but all hooks are in. Beautiful fish. Another nice one, guys. We'll keep hinge on the Huey's spotty dog again. Just that hole there. Good one. Put him back. Nice one there, guys. Good pattern, good colours. Dog again, but put him back. just a nice one. Yeah, he's a nice brown. Here's a keeper, very nice one. Just the Huey's spotty dog there, guys. Beautiful fish, good colours too. Little fish. Just a nice one there, guys. Once again on the Huey's spotty dog. There he goes. Straight in front of me. Look. It is a tiger snake, 100%. And he is just there. He is dead. But there is a tiger snake there, about a metre long. There he is in there, guys. I just don't want to get any closer. Just try not to move so I don't scare him. There he is in there. Just a little one, probably about 2.5 feet. Beautiful little snake. There he is there. Straight over the top. Cool. Look at that one. Quickly cross over. That's a beautiful fish, guys. Yeah, he's a very beautiful one. Look at him. Great condition. Look at that. Stunning. Just on the Huey's spotty dog once again. That's just a stunning condition fish. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to have to pull him up. Stop flopping, bud. There's just a nice brown trout once again. Ew, he's a fat one, that one. Beautiful. Just once again, Huey's spotty dog. So Huey's. Beautiful. Smashed it, look at that. There's a good one, guys. Just on the Huey's spotty dogs, but straight away. Beautiful boy. Absolutely stunning one. Look at the hook jaw on that one. Beautiful fish. That's going to end the video, guys. Just most of my fish all caught on the Huey spotty dog, but caught about 2 on the Huey sunset lure as well. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in other videos. See yous.